Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you need to launch the YouTube application and disable any VPN you are using, as it may cause location issues. Also, ensure your IP address matches the country where you are signing up. The next step to follow is to update your YouTube application. For that, launch the Play Store or App Store and check for updates for YouTube. First, search for YouTube. If you find updates, update it to the latest version. Now, try clearing the cache and cookies of the YouTube application. For that, long press on the YouTube app, tap the eye icon, then select Storage. Now, tap Clear Cache. You can even clear all the data, but this will delete all the app's data, including files and settings. Next, you need to make sure that you have allowed location permission on the YouTube app. For that, again long press on YouTube, select the eye icon, and then tap on Permissions. Ensure location permission is allowed. Now, finally, if the issue persists, you can contact YouTube support for assistance. Simply open YouTube, tap on your account icon, and then here tap on gear icon at the top right. Here, scroll down and tap on Help. Now tell YouTube your issue and YouTube team will respond you soon. By doing this, you will successfully resolve the verify your country error on YouTube Premium. So that's basically how you can fix we couldn't verify your country on YouTube Premium. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.